them streets.
White caps out there on the bay.
Coming across the Route 50 bridge.
Dead birds.
These houses are pretty over there. Oh, look, that one's for sale. Look how high the water is up on the docks. It's red.
Red, it's filled.
Okay, now we're filming. What is this? Philadelphia Avenue? Two-way traffic on Philadelphia Avenue? Due to all the flooding?
Philadelphia is Baltimore. This is Baltimore.
This is Baltimore?
Philadelphia must be closed due to high waters. Yeah, it looks like it's wet down there.
Does it? Yeah, I can see it this street. Oh, he's gonna turn. He has to turn too.
Get out there like you want to turn. You get traffic's moving. We're sitting here till.
Can't, wait a minute, I don't think you can turn yet. You can't, no, you didn't turn here yet.
You know, right down the beach again. Jump out and see what's
Yeah, he's going through some water.
the ocean's doing.
That purple house.
The Atlantic is still assaulting. Look at all this debris up on the beach. This is where we were yesterday. It's where the red Cadillac was. Devastation. That's hard to believe.
Sand in my pockets from yesterday.
Come down and collect a lot of lumber. Unbelievable.
Dune fencing.
Dune fencing?
You know how they, that the hotel or something have it, like where they're supposed to have it.
I wonder if they'd say anything. Come down here and start 4x4s. They're $10-15 a piece.
This is from all the, these were preventing the dunes, people walking on the dunes. Those are all the dune pegs.
Got a C block for the where you walk through down to the beach. Total devastation. Looks like as far as I can see down here, we're on 27th Street. Huh? Yeah, I know, they're ripping everything out. I have a mess to clean up. Yeah, as far as I can see down there, it looks like there's debris. Grasses. Comes all your sea foam. Rolling out there. It's unbelievable. Oh, here comes a wave.
I can't believe these big pilings.
All the dudes, I guess. Where the field starts.
Wish the tram car was running. I'd like to take a ride.
Yeah.
Something's coming up for you.
There's something coming.